Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hey guys, Stephen Alford from Alford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Hey guys, I've just got another beautiful information to share with you, which I'm sure you'll be delighted and appreciative of it. Perhaps as a wisdom. But here we go. Google Finance or Google in general has helped us generally all over the world. I mean, you got to agree. We used Google's product without even probably the understanding that somebody created that product. And I'm generally stating the fact Google has done so much for the internet that we take advantage of from time to time. Now, Google, it's an amazing business. You might not agree with Google, but I can say Google has done a wonderful job, just like say Apple or Samsung. But Google in general is the entity that I want to focus our attention on this video about. Now, I've made videos in the past about how well Google has helped us find location with Google Map. Now, that's not a small feat for any company to be driving around every street that we walk on this earth and record it and compile it into a what is it, software or an app that we can click on at that moment of time and find a location we want to go to. Of course, there are many other uh, Google Map copies these days, but Google has provided that essence for us for finding those locations. So we must agree to a certain degree, whether you like Google or not, that's not the point. But Google has provided so much for us. Now you're probably looking at my page here, and I've got Google Finance up, and in this particular place, Google Finance, it allows us to do many things within itself. And this is my portfolios that I have loaded a lot of stocks into it, common stocks. Well, these are common company stocks, of course. Now that is helping me also maintain my own processes with all like a watch list, for example. Watch list mean these are stocks that you are keeping an eye on, and Google provides that services for me for nothing. And all I needed to do was to sign into a email, Gmail or Google, and Google allows me access to all its product. As you can see, my famous one, of course, is Google Search, my account, Google Map, and my one of my best favorite is Google YouTube. You probably didn't know, but Google owns YouTube, which was once a private entity, but Google bought it out, and it's absolutely an amazing platform. And of course, this is where you're most likely reading watching my video. And of course, at the same token, please, I beg of you, down below this video, there'll be some links. First link that you got to click onto is subscribe to my video. Second, like my video, my YouTube video. And thirdly, I will be posting some link so you can join some of these websites that we're going to be talking about in this video. But basically, the moral of this whole video is all about the power of Google. Okay, you might not agree with it, but allow me my moment. Here we go. As I've given you a little bit of portions of all the products that Google has that offers to us literally for nothing. Okay, here's Google Finance, brings this up, and I'm going to go straight away to crypto to bring up one of the most important product that we as human beings today have been exposed to. Even though it is called Bitcoin, that's just one of the coin or the major coin under the cryptocurrency environment. Okay, let's get that straight. Now, Google has done a wonderful job just giving us not comprehensive coverage of cryptocurrencies. They already got one, two, three, four, five. Five as a common currency that they provide for us at a click of a mouse. Sorry, click of a mouse. If you want to do a lot of more comprehensive researches on other coins, look into coin market cap, and it will give you a lot more, of course, more comprehensive arrays or quantities or other coins that you might be interested in. Now, one of the points I'm making this video today is to highlight the fact, let me take us back, say, a month ago. Now, this is coin market cap, and I'm going to compare it to Google Map. Now, we'll notice that just recently, Bitcoin has dropped its price quite dramatically. Now, here we go. No, I want to bring it up so a bit higher so we can see it. It had gone a bit July, beginning of end of June this year, and just recently November, and today's date is the 15th of November 2022, and it has dropped quite a bit. However, if we look at the maximum of what Bitcoin has been doing in the past since 2016, it has peaked its price at around about 60,000 US dollars, I think. Oh, yeah, there we go. Now, those are the two reference points I'm working with, suggesting history has got something for us. History has got something to tell us where cryptocurrency or Bitcoin could be going into the future. History, that's all we have. And Google Finance has captured that for us quite beautifully. And of course, other websites like CoinMarketCap.com. As you can see, a huge drop just recently. After a month, if you go 3 months, and we'll show also that drop. Now, why am I showing you this? Now, the wisdom of life sometimes in general, you and I, as human beings, are born to this earth, and we're always looking for bargains. Whether we like it or not, we're generally looking for bargains. When we go and buy petrol, we're looking for the best price, and which petrol station sometimes is offering the best price, and we go there. Food market, we sometimes might carry a shopping list, a written list, so we compare the price when we get there. Those are some of the reasons. We're budgeting to get our dollar the best value for what we're buying. Just like buying a car, you go to a car dealer, even though you love the car that you love to buy. Generally, we don't buy it at the price that the dealer is asking for. We're always trying to haggle or negotiate a better price. That's common sense. Okay? Again, going back to Google. Google has done a beautiful job in giving us some sort of reference of what happened in the past, could easily be in the future. In a sense, people can look at something like this, like a data. Say, for example, you went in the shop, Kmart or Woolworth or whatever. You want to buy, what do you want to buy? Let me see. You want to buy a shirt. And that shirt is, say, $30 for one. Just a normal shirt, but it costs $30. That's the price where it was recently or beforehand. But on the sale price, it has dramatically bargained in a much lower price. Now, I doubt it if you have ever done this in the past. You have complained to the shopkeeper and say this is too expensive at a discount price. I'm talking about, because in the past the price of that same shirt was quite high. I don't think you will go back and make that complaint. Of course, you'll probably take the shirt and buy it at a much cheaper price than where it originally was. That's common sense. That's human nature. We all do it, whether you like it or not. Every single human being are always looking for a bargain. Okay, that's the moral of the story. Let's get back to Google Finance, what Google is showing us today, and where it could be going into the future. I tend to believe what Google is showing me instead of anybody else. Okay, now that's cryptocurrency. Let's look at, say, the US market. For example, let's look at SPS 500. I think it'd be a good starter. Okay, SBS 500 today has dropped also. That's good. We like things to drop. Okay, stop crying if things drop in price. That's the nature of the beast. You need to buy things at a cheap. So if we have a look at SB 500, it has trended really well through the years. Way back, I don't know what's that, 1980 maybe, to where it is today. But it has, of course, dropped in its price. That's a bargain because you already know that's where it's been in the past just recently. And this discount rate we're getting now, this is when you want to buy anything in life, when you get a bit of discount. Because this thing is going to continue to grow as we have seen in this historical events. It's a common sense sort of practice what Google has provided to give us a guidance into the future, because an asset for this is an asset like SB 500 has proven it. Yes, it's been there before. It's more likely to go back up there again or even higher. That's our reference point that I need you to understand. Whenever we buy anything, it doesn't matter whether it be a can of sardines or bag of rice, a new car or new house. The same philosophy applies. It's just different product, different amount of money, but the philosophy is the same. Okay, whenever somebody has been there before and they're giving us a bargain price, it's not the end of the day. That's when we want to buy in. We don't want to buy anything at the high price. We want to buy it at a bargain price or discount it. In this point of time, this is the most beautiful time. This is why I want to keep making this video to show us why. Okay, now that's one of the common product that we look into from America. Let's look at currency for now. Let's look at some pairs. Say euro against US dollar. Let's see what their performance like. Okay, it's not too bad. It has trended quite well, but not much. But these fluctuations, these are good. We make money on asset fluctuation. You just got to learn to read. Now again, that's the last high it's been. Okay, now this is bargain. This is bargain you can look at too. Now, if you bought some today of this pair and say hold on to it, it's gone a long way. Okay, hold on. Let me take it back a bit. Okay, if you buy some today at this point, it's a bargain. If it goes up here at this point in the future, which is this level, you have made substantial amount of money. Why? Simple. It's a bargain because it's already been there before. You don't need a rocket science to tell you this thing can easily return there before, because that's what history does. It tends to repeat itself. Don't listen to fools who say stock don't repeat itself. Sometimes, more often than anything, it does repeat itself. Okay, here's the product. The currency. Sorry, it's like forex. Let me look at the market. Let's say, let me look at Australia, for example. One of Australia's favorite, to give an idea. History does show itself. Now, this is one of Australia's best company. Pays huge dividend, but look at it. It's trending pretty well, and these lows are absolutely money-making lows. Whenever anything goes down, it always goes up. Goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up. This is where we make a lot of money. We don't make a lot of money when we buy anything at the high. Get that out of your head. If you've been buying things at the high, you need your head examined. We buy things at the low. And at this point of time, at this particular company in Australia, BHP, let me take it back a little bit. It's a bargain to buy today. Why? Because it can easily go back up to these points in the future. I can't tell you how long, but I can guarantee you somewhere along in the future, it will go back to where it was. See? That's the beauty of Google. It's given us the beauty of the past to give us some calculation where these things can go into the future. Okay, good. I hope you understand. Now let's go back to my beautiful point that I want to point out. It's in crypto. Now, crypto, again, I'm going to use Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the major player. And as you can see, the last high I mean, not the last high. That's one or the other high, of course. Was around about 64 US dollar. Okay. Now there's a discount rate at this $16,000. Think about it. Stop and think about it. Okay. If anything in life, it's been discounted. Just say there's a brand new Camaro or Tesla, a brand new Tesla. That's right. Only 2 years ago, say it was selling at $64,000 each. Then somehow Elon Musk could say, "Oh, I'll discount these just to get it out the door," and he dropped the price down to $16,000. Would you not rush out to buy one for yourself? Yes, you would. For Christ's sakes. Too many people are afraid of things going down because they don't understand how the market works. The market goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. And of course, this one here can only go up. Come on. It's been proven before. I mean, we're talking about Bitcoin here. It's been proven before. It has been there before. So the likely chance, take the scenario of, what is it? Everything comes in three. Well, another one coming up, isn't there? Come on, people. I'm hearing all these rubbish people say there's a recession on and the market is collapsing. Hey, that's how we make a lot of money, when the market collapses, because we can buy the bloody things cheaper. If the markets don't collapse, we'd be buying things too expensive. We need the market to collapse. Okay? Take my word for it. We need the market to drop. And that's the best time to buy anything. Not just crypto, but I'm talking about crypto in this case. Okay? Remember that. That's the philosophy. You're going to thank me, Stephen R. Ford, in the future for learning this simple principle. That people are misconceived or misled to think whenever something goes down, it's the end of the world. Oh my God. Some people. Anyway, I want to slap those people around a bit. I really do. I really want to slap those people around for saying stupid things like that. Look back at history. It will give you some sort of guidance where it's going into the future. The big God up there that looks after all these things in this world, I mean, he's happy. He gets people to buy down here, for example, make them rich. Then if they don't do the right thing, they lose it. But the people who understand the philosophy that everything goes up must come down are all prepared and geared to take their profits up here if they have bought them down here. So if I was going to buy something, which I am, of course, right at this point in time, I'm pouring a lot of investment into this system, not just Bitcoin, because the price is so cheap and waiting for the rebound. Come on, people. This is the best time to start buying your investment. Stop complaining. Sing hallelujah, because things that used to be expensive in the past are now getting cheaper. Don't you agree? Bargain. Oh my God, people, come on. Google Finance has given us this opportunity. Get on with it. Okay, read some history. Trust history. Trust past historical data. It can lead you into the future. It's not perfect, but I tell you what, it's better than working in the dark and listening to BS. BS says history does not repeat itself. Look at that. It did. It repeats itself. Only this time it's going to repeat itself even better. Why? It's proven itself. It's proven itself up here. This is no accident. This is no accident. This is the grace of God that people wants to hear sometimes. This is the power of sharing the wealth around the world. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, let's move on. And here's my product for today. This beautiful product that I have found, Bitcoin Gold. I'm actually promoting this in this video right at this point of time. Why? Read through it, and I'll tell you some of the secrets to it. Okay, if these things take off, now where was I? Okay, we already got 4 days. 4 days before this, whoever designed this Bitcoin Gold go into existence. And I think I read, where is it? Oh, there we go. The listing price is going to be at $200. Do you know how much you can buy 10 lots of these coins for today? Today's rate. And you only got 4 days. You only got 4 days. I can buy them for less than $2. A $10 lot, that's going to go up to $200. Hey, I'm not guaranteeing you anything. I'm just saying, hey, opportunities. Take the opportunities. What if this, of course, thus exactly what it's written here. You buy it for less than $2, 10 coins for less than $2, and if it does list pretty well in the next 4 days, you're going to be a very happy boy. Now that's my promotion. Now the key to this also, you're going to find my link down the bottom. The link for this products is down the bottom here. Go and get some for yourself. Otherwise, I'm going to have to teach you how to use the system, having it in your wallet, especially Trust, a wallet. You can link this product into there and have it sitting in there getting ready. Now, opportunities of a lifetime. If it kicks off, hallelujah. What's $2? Come on. If you're saying, Steve, you're talking BS, it is BS not to take something at $2 that's already been, I wouldn't say promised, but it's been written to go up. Wouldn't you buy it at $2 to get up to there? Come on, people. Simple investment quotes. Now, if I'm saying to you, put millions of dollars into here, yes, I am crazy. But if I say only $2, $10, I mean, kid buys you 10 coin, the possibility of $200 each. It's immense, isn't it? It is massive. Now, those are not my words. These are what it's been promoted. Now, I'm just promoting it to give you an opportunity. Your $2 worth for 10 coins. That's only 10 coin. Did you know? Sorry, I didn't tell you. You can claim as much as you can. It don't have to be $10. So if you bought $10 worth, what's that? 100 coins for $10. And if $10 goes up to 200, come on, people, do the maths. Simple arithmetic. I'll be jumping in right now to get some for yourself before it is over. Or Bitcoin Gold stops their airdrop or stops their pre-sale because the demand is too great. Now go and get some for yourself, but please use my link down below this website. Don't go directly here, please do not go directly here, because if you go directly here, I'm not going to teach you how to get this activated for your Trust app. So if you go through here, I promise you I'm going to teach you how to do that, which is more money. Just crazy, absolutely crazy more money. So Bitcoin Gold, it's my gift to you. And if it does, as I said, take off, and it's in the what's it said, issued or released in the next 4 days at the price here that's been given, you can come and say, or kiss my feet this time, say thank you, Mr. Ford. That was a good offer. That was a good opportunity. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you anything. I'm just sharing you something that's available on the internet by searching the power of Google. I love Google. I absolutely love Google. Now, everywhere I want to go, I just want to look up Google. You know, you heard the saying. Come on, you heard the saying. What do people say these days? If you don't know it, what do? Google that up. Oh my God. Oh, see, something so simple that we ignore, yet it's in front of us when we're looking at screens. Why do you think that so many people say just Google it up? Because Google has done an excellent job bringing us all these wonderful things. And of course, Mr. Ford bringing it into your face even better, don't you think? Oh my Lord, my God. Anyway, go and get yourself some Bitcoin Gold. Prepare. You only got 4 days to claim. At $10, what's it? $2, I think it was. $2 for $10 for 10 coins each. That's a giveaway. That's an absolute bargain. It could be my present, it could be my Christmas present to you. So please go and buy some for yourself. Okay? Register with my link down below this video, please. Register through that and you'll be fine. Anyway, good hunting, good mining, good Bitcoining. And this is Stephen iPhone from iPhone 14, creating fortunes for the future. I love you. God loves you. And we'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.